Now it looks like just a common keyboard, and if you tap Shift and 2, it will be a reaction game. To be started, you can tap spacebar, and there they show how speed you tap the key. And when you tap Shift 3, it will be a mini swiper game. And look, after you tap one key, it will show the green means there are 2 bombs near the key, and if you hold the key, it will show you. It means there are 2 bombs near the key, and the blue one means there are just 1 bomb near the key. And okay, and if you tap right shift and 4, it will be a brick game. You can control the board with the directional key. If you want to start, you need to tap spacebar. Yeah, now I win the game. Okay, that's all.